to IHISMCCJD and the contractor of the W3 package, signaling package, Yashima GSEJD for their great contribution and endeavors to make this project successful. But the signal, I would like to mention here that the signaling work needs to be completed. I request the signaling contractor to finish their job at the earliest possible time, so that we can operate the train with signaling, proper signaling system. I would like to thank again the representative of the print and electronic media. They always support us in our development activities of Bangladesh Railway. I sincerely request all the media people to highlight the achievements of the government to transfer Bangladesh Railway into a modern transport organization. I would like to thank once again the government of Japan and JICA for their continuous support. Long live Bangladesh, long live the friendship of Japan and Bangladesh. Thank you everybody for participating in this historical and memorial event. Allah Hafiz. Of Bangladesh Railway through the Jamuna multi-purpose bridge. But there was number of bottlenecks of this bridge, like the speed restriction, the load restriction, and wagon restriction. We cannot operate the freight train over this bridge. But now the trains are being operated over the newly constructed Jamuna railway bridge through upline from February 12, 2015 on trial basis at a higher speed. And from today, both passengers. Okay? From today, both passenger and freight trains will be operated over the newly constructed Jamuna rail bridge at higher speed without restriction, and it will save the running time about 30 minutes. Honorable guests, this is a luminous milestone in the history of Bangladesh Railway, because Jamuna rail bridge is the largest double-track railway bridge of Bangladesh Railway. This day is very special for us. From today, broad gauge train will run at 120 km and meter gauge train will run 80 km per hour without any restriction. The running time and the operating cost will be reduced significantly. Distinguished guests, the Japanese government has financed this project through JICA as a flagship project between Japan and Bangladesh. I express my heartiest gratitude to the government of the Japan for providing financial and technical assistance to this project. I also convey my gratitude to JICA and the Embassy of Japan in Bangladesh for their overall cooperation and support. But to get the full benefit of this bridge, we have to construct a double line from Ishwardi to Jaidapur. I would like to appreciate the assistance of the government of JICA and to finance this project. Sincerely, I convey my thanks to the consultant Oriental Global Company Limited, along with their associates, the contractor of package number WD1, Obayashi and their JD partners, the chief guest of today's auspicious occasion, Mr. Mohammad Wahidul Islam, Honorable Secretary, Ministry of Railways, a special guest of the historic event, His Excellency Mr. Saida Shinichi, Ambassador of Japan to Bangladesh, and Mr. Ito Terubuki, Director General, South Asia Development, JICA, Chief Representative, JICA, Bangladesh Office, high officials from different ministries, high officials from Ministry of Railways, Project Director, and my fellow colleagues of Bangladesh Railways, and the officials of the local government, respected journalists of the print and electronic media, ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum and good morning. On this great occasion, today I express my gratitude to the great martyrs of the liberation war of Bangladesh. I also recall the contribution of the martyrs of the democratic movement of Bangladesh. I recall the long-standing and trusted development partner, the government of Japan and JICA. Distinguished guests, as you know, Bangladesh Railway is a state-owned commercial transportation organization, but it cannot place its role like commercial organization completely, because we have to consider the public service obligation. Under this mandate, we are rendering services to the mass people of the Bangladesh. During any emergency situation, when road communication disrupted or collapse like flood, cyclone, or any other unstable situation, Bangladesh Railway keeps supply chain of fuel, fertilizer, export-import products and food grains to all over the country with its limited resources. Respected guests, before 1998, the train communication with northern part of the Bangladesh was established through Bahadrabad Ghat and Phulsari Ghat by ferry services. In 1998,